In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure junk mail options in Outlook. This process will ensure your inbox stays tidy and that you don't miss any important emails. Whether you are inundated with unwanted messages or just want to fine-tune your email filtering, these steps will guide you through customizing your settings with ease. To begin, let's ensure you are using the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. You'll want to open the app to where you can see your emails and your menu options. Once Outlook is open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the settings icon, which often resembles a gear or a cog. Give that a click and you'll access the settings menu. Now, from the settings menu, navigate to the mail tab. This section includes a variety of options to manage your email preferences. We're interested in the junk email settings, so go ahead and find the junk email section. Once there, you have the opportunity to configure your junk mail options in a way that suits your needs. These settings allow you to identify specific emails or domains that you want to keep out of your inbox. For example, you might add perpetually spammy email addresses to your blocked list, or take the opposite approach and specify safe senders whose messages should always bypass the junk filter. Take your time to explore the possibilities here, because a little customization can significantly enhance your email management experience. One important note: if your main email account is linked to a Google address, like a Gmail account, these options won't apply to you. Junk mail filters for Google email accounts are managed differently and directly through Gmail settings, so make sure that your Outlook is set up with a Microsoft Outlook address to take full advantage of these options. After you finish configuring your settings, it's always a good idea to revisit your inbox and check that your adjustments are working as you intended. You might want to send a test email or two just to make sure everything is going into the right place. If you find that certain emails are still slipping through the cracks or being mistakenly filtered, you can easily return to the settings and further tweak your configurations until everything is working seamlessly. That concludes today's tutorial. With your Outlook configured to manage junk mail more effectively, you should see an immediate improvement in your email experience. Keeping your inbox organized helps you focus on the messages that truly matter. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly streamlined email experience.